The circumference. Children. Morning, children.
Morning, Professor Jack.
Welcome to the University of B&J's. Today we're going through Pizza 101, and we're going to explain to the class mathematically, with the help of my lovely assistant Athena, how to calculate the different sizes of pizza. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go through our little scale up there. The A is going to equal the area of a circle. The C is going to equal the circumference of the circle. The D is the diameter. The R is the radius, which is half the diameter. And that little signal is called pi. Pi always equals 3.14. Now what we're going to do is try and compare a large B&J's pizza to a large Pizza Hut pizza to a large Domino's pizza. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to determine the entire surface of those two pizzas. The 16-inch pizza. To determine the diameter and the surface of it, we're going to go area equals pi times the radius squared. That's the formula that we're going to use today. That means that we're going to multiply 3.14 times 8 squared. And we all know 8 squared is 64. So we're multiplying 3.14, which is pi, times 64, and it equals 200.9 square inches. Now to compare that with a large pizza from Domino's, we have to do the same to the 14-inch pizza. The area of a 14-inch pizza is pi times the radius squared, which is 3.14 times 7 squared. And 7 squared, which is 7 times 7, is 49, which gives us a total area of 153.8 square inches. So the difference between those, the 16 and the other large, is the 16 is 23.4% larger. The next segment of our class, we're going to determine the circumference of a circle, which is the outside of the circle, how many inches it is around. To do that, we use the formula, which is circumference equals pi, which we've already determined is 3.14, times the diameter. 16 inches times pi is 50.24. That's the circumference of a 16-inch pizza or circle. A 14-inch is the same formula, 3.14 times the 14-inch pizza equals 43.96 inches. That's how big around a 14-inch pizza is. And the difference between those two, again, the 16 is 12.5% larger. Now class, that completes Pizza 101. Now I'd like to introduce you to my esteemed colleague for Pizza 102, Professor Luke.
Thanks, Jack. One of the things I'm always hearing is B&J's Pizza is a lot more expensive than everyone else. You know, when you look at the prices, it may seem so. Our large Super is $23.76. A pizza at Super Supreme is $19.45. And a Domino's Extravaganza is $17.31. But when you compare ounce to ounce, it's just not so. So not only is B&J's cheaper, it has 12 items. Pizza Hut and Domino's, they only have 8 items.
What the f?
So if you want better value and quality, why go anywhere else?
No.
As the Dean of Students here at B&J's University, I would like to congratulate the first graduating class of 2009 in Pizza 101 and 102. And as your diploma, we have a shirt here from B&J's Pizza that explains that if you know it beforehand, certainly now, you know Jack about pizza. Come forward.
Go B&J!
On a more serious note, I'd like to thank Sister Milagros and Delma for allowing us to film our little skit here at the ARC Assessment Center in Corpus Christi. I'd like for them to explain to you what the ARC Assessment Center is all about and how community involvement is so important both for the community here in Corpus and communities around the world. So Sister Milagros and Delma.
Well, thank you, Mr. Jack and Kathy Baker with B&J's Pizza for all your awesome support that you do give to the ARC Assessment Center and Emergency Shelter for Youth. The ARC is an emergency shelter for children from birth to 17. We take care of children that have been removed by CPS from their homes due to abuse, neglect, that they're needing a safe environment. We are able to keep the children up to 90 consecutive days. During the time that they're here, we will take them in for physicals, dentals, sometimes psychologicals and psychiatric evaluations. We need to make the most that we can with the children while they're here in order for them to be placed appropriately. The ARC is a nonprofit, a 501c3, and we would like for everybody to join in with Mr. and Mrs. Baker in supporting organizations like us.
I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to the community for supporting us, and especially at the present time, we really need any support the community can give it to us, and God bless you.